So anybody with a ProMaster ever had something fall down your dashboard? I don't know if this is a common problem, but apparently there is a bit of a Bermuda Triangle in the dashboard. So we're here for the SpaceX launch on South Padre Island in Texas. And when we got here, we had to get a day use pass, which is $12. Well, little did we know at the time that you could have purchased a $30 pass, which would have made sense initially because this SpaceX launch keeps getting scrubbed. Today is day number 3, which they've already scrubbed, so tomorrow is day 4. We got to come back again. So we tried to go get our $12 pass changed into a $30 pass, which they wouldn't give us any credit for the day that we had already purchased. We had to start from the next day and spend that $30. Anyways, long story short, there is a little clip apparently that we don't use enough on the front by like in between the steering wheel and the passenger side. So clip it there because our pass has fallen down. We can't get it out. We tried everything. We tried yanking it. We tried vacuuming it. We tried to slide it out with a fork or a comb, and they won't work with us despite the fact that we have a receipt. I've already tried once and they said the rules are the rules. I'm sorry. You just got to pay another $30. You can talk to management if you want. Come back again tomorrow. So hopefully this will work out because we can't suck that thing out and we can't dig it out. Anyways, live and learn. All right, 2 successes. Today's going pretty good, all things considered. The launch was called off. We had to go up to the front and get our pass replaced, which went over pretty seamlessly. All I had to do was talk to a supervisor about it, and she didn't ask any questions and gave me a replacement. So be forewarned for all of those who may be our fellow ProMasters. Don't put things on the dash because there's a good chance it might slide down. We're apparently not the only ones that have had that issue. We talked to a couple other people and said that they had lost their driver's license down there too. So y'all be warned. Anyways, got that pass replaced, and now we are in Brownsville, Texas with another win of the day. We got our Red Arc 50 amp DC-DC charger in. They overnighted that from North Carolina all the way down here, and we are replacing the old one that went out for unknown reasons. Not quite sure why it went bad. Maybe just a bad unit in the bunch. But no questions asked, they warrantied that out. So thank you, Red Arc. Fantastic customer service despite being halfway around the world in Australia. So we're gonna let Kurt work his magic here, get this thing up and running so that we can charge our batteries fully. We'll disconnect the temporary setup that he had wired from the alternator straight back to the batteries and hopefully be up and running. All right, get to work.
The DT called the one right here. Yeah, that's the alpha what the DT called the boat.
That's right. That's the old one, this is the new one.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we can get this one working.
Yep.
And get us some power.
Yeah.
All right, I think we made it. Let's see here. Yeah, we're charging.
All right.
Sweet. So, let me grab this old one. This old one, whoo, it stinks, and also there's black marks on the wood. But just must have been a bad unit. We'll see how long this one will last, but I would definitely still get a Red Arc product. Customer service is amazing. No questions asked, overnighted it. A couple holiday things to deal with, but besides that, awesome, man. Stand up company. So I'm glad we're back on track. Got a charging system. We got all the panels working. Alternator to the batteries working. So awesome, good day.
Good morning. It is Friday, the end of the week. We've been duking this out since Monday, waiting for a SpaceX launch of SN9. It is only 9:30 on Friday morning and the weather is beautiful. I don't think you could ask for a better day. However, to our dismay, it looks like the launch has been scrubbed yet again. So we're gonna keep a close eye on it. You never know with these things, they might reverse it, but We might just make today a beach day instead, since it's really the nicest day that we've seen. You know, one cool thing that we found so far being down here at South Padre Island is how friendly people are. We've made some friends while trying to watch this rocket launch. We've seen Gary and Dave just about every day that we've been down there. So they invited us out to the beach today to put on a show for us. This is called paragliding, and it's pretty darn cool. Alright, well, today is Monday. This marks 1 week now that we've been down here in South Padre Island / now we are at Boca Chica. Reason being, we still haven't seen a rocket launch yet. So we decided to just drive on down here and see how close we could get to the actual rockets. Behind me is the actual place where they assemble these rockets. You can see the high bay where they had to roll these rockets on down the road, and further on that way is where they've got SN9 and SN10 on the launch pad at the same time. So we're gonna do a little bit of sightseeing and see how close we can get to those. Maybe tomorrow, hopefully, we'll see a rocket launch.
What do you think, babe?
Pretty darn cool. They are They're a little smaller than I thought they'd be. I know that sounds kind of crazy to think about a rocket, but you can see these things from like miles across the bay here. So we're in Boca Chica, and we've been trying to view this from South Padre Island, which is what, about
6 miles.
as a crow flies.
Yeah.
And that way is Mexico. But just from how they appear across the sound, the channel here, I thought they'd be a lot bigger. But it's still impressive nonetheless. Is today the day? Let's certainly hope so. So when we went to bed last night, the launch had been postponed until Wednesday. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd. We woke up to a nice surprise. The launch had suddenly been reassigned to today. So we scrambled real fast, get on over here, and sure enough, today is also Groundhog Day. So wouldn't that be fitting to break this cycle of wake up? Is it going off? Nope. Okay, let's go find something to do for the day. Go to bed, wake up. Is this thing going off? I don't know. That'd be pretty cool on Groundhog Day of all days, which also happens to be the clearest day that we've seen so far. We've been here now for over a week, and the weather's been all sorts of crazy, windy, foggy, cold even. So today's like the perfect temperature. As you can see, clear, bluebird day, winds are very calm. Everything looks very promising. The FAA has finally cleared this thing to fly, so hopefully we'll see this thing take off and land. Alright, so the countdown is on supposedly. Less than 10 minutes to go. We see smoke coming out of SN9. Everybody here is keeping an eye on NASA's spaceflight YouTube channel. All systems look like it's a go, so hopefully very soon. Huh?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Oh! Are we counting? Oh! 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 Oh!
Here it goes. Listen, boys, here we go. Hold your ears. Yeah.
Woo!
Oh my God.
Whoa! Whoa!
It can't even hear it yet.
Look at it go!
That's yeah.
Woo!
Awesome.
Oh wow! Whoa! How cool! Get off me, please.
So maybe one motor down. I'm guessing the motor's probably down. How you doing, Jenny?
Okay. Woo! Oh, my legs are burning.
Burning, baby. Dude. They say it gets, oh, there we go. Here it comes. One more down. It's almost there, brother. It's almost there until you stop hearing noise.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Is it turning?
Not yet.
How's it doing on there?
Good.
Y'all got like a YouTube channel thing?
Yeah.
Nice. I gotta get it before y'all leave.
Overland Uncharted.
Overland Uncharted?
Yeah.
Nice.
See, bro? There's a way up there, dude.
That looks like
Oh.
a tiny.
There we go. I think it may be turning. There's
Oh.
smoke.
There it goes, there it goes, there it goes.
There it goes. Keep an eye on it, Jenny. Now this is going to be a tough part. It's falling. Look, keep an eye on it, brother. It's going to come all the way down close to the ground and it's going to reignite.
That's insane.
I know. Just keep looking, brother. Get the best neck burning experience you'll have. Just try not to get older.
And this is their future, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
I don't see it at all.
Oh, wow.
There
I
it
do
is.
too. I see it.
Oh, there it is, floating. See it? See
Nope.
the smoke?
Yeah.
Floating, boys. There it goes. Come
I
on.
can't
Come
see
on, baby, land.
I hope so.
Come on, land.
I hope it doesn't.
Jesus.
Wow.
Look at that thing. See it? Straight there, Luke. Look at the white. Try to find the white. Like
I
a
know.
flag.
I already see it.
Look, Ham. Yeah, look. Right there, bro. You don't go that high. It's right there. See it? Look. Look.
You don't have
Look,
to.
right there. It's right there.
You don't have
See it
to.
sideways. See it? Stay right there. See it sideways? See it again? Right there. Look, right there.
Oh, my
Look,
legs.
straight in front. Virginia, look right straight.
Wow.
Right above the ship. Right above the ship.
Wow.
See it? It's sideways.
I see it. Yeah, now I see it.
Turn on the burners already.
You got it, Jenny? That
Yeah.
stupid boat.
It's turning, it's turning, it's turning. Woo! No!
Oh!
No! Oh! The boat's in the way.
It went off too.
Oh!
No.
No! Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys! It blew up again! My legs are shaking. My legs are shaking.
Yeah, she got it.
Woo! Woo! My heart's pounding. I think I'm sweating just a little bit. Dang, what a disappointment. That thing blew up again.
It was way off this time.
Yeah, it was way off.
Oh. Made it almost look like it overcorrected. And then they tried to swing it back again, coming down too fast again. Whew. Well, that was worth the wait. We waited an entire week for that.
Like we didn't land on that.
Whew, my legs are shaking.
Yep. Another 3 weeks.
Oh.
Ain't got no engines, but they'll put it soon.
Oh wow, man, that was absolutely amazing. To be here in person, to see that thing take off, to feel the percussion of the rockets.
I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
It was amazing. Even though they failed 2 times in a row now, it's amazing.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna wind down on the beach tonight. We'll probably kick it out of here tomorrow, or we might stay for the SN10 launch. You never know. You guys saw that one sitting on the launch pad, so we'll see what happens. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our videos. We can't wait to bring you guys some more awesome adventures. We'll catch you on the next one.